Today we are looking at the Hotpoint FFAA52P Fridge Freezer in white. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. Be sure to create a stylish focal point in your kitchen with the Hotpoint FFAA52P Fridge Freezer in brilliant gloss white and with a whole range of useful features. Chilled features. Their FFAA52P is just under 55 centimeters wide with a generous 255-liter total storage space. The 3 fridge shelves are made from practical safety glass. Safe environment, equipped with antibacterial protection. The Hotpoint FFAA52P gives protection for the life of the product. Working between normal cleaning, it stops the growth of harmful bacteria and reduces odors. Extra stars. The freezer has 4 compartments and has been rated with 4 freezer stars, with an overall rating of A+ for the appliance. Their FFAA52P runs smoothly. Extra features include automatic fridge defrost, reversible doors and airflow cooling for great humidity in all areas of the fridge. Be safe and secure with your choice when selecting the Hotpoint FFAA52P Fridge Freezer, practical for tight spaces and modern living. Use in outbuildings. This refrigerator is not designed to be used in an outbuilding. Both your food and the appliance can be damaged. Do not use it in any unheated area. Reversible door hinges. This refrigerator has a reversible door. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.